Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back to the EBS class. In previous class, we have done our chapter 5, Food We Eat. And today, we will complete our chapter 6. We will also do chapter 6 new words in our notebook. And your practice work is, you have to do new words in the notebook in a proper format. And season worksheet 1 of your chapter 6. And in next class, be ready with your book. We will complete our book exercise. Today's topic is chapter 6, Safety and First Aid. Safety is when we protect ourselves from harm. Protect means raksha karna ourselves from harm. We can be safe if we are careful and do things the proper way. At home, it is dangerous to play with things that may cause fire. Keep away from fire. हमें फायर से दूर रहना है. Do not play with matchstick or fire. हमें play नहीं करना है. किसके साथ? Fire के साथ. Do not play near a lighted stove or a gas cylinder. Do not play with electrical things. Electrical things like TV, fridge. Do not touch plug point. Plug point, see. This is plug point. Do not touch plug point. We may get an electric shock if we touch plug point. हमें इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लग सकता है अगर हम अनसेफ तरीके से प्लग पॉइंट को टच करते हैं. स्पेशली जब हमारे हैंड्स वेट हो, गीले हो, तब हमें प्लग पॉइंट को टच नहीं करना है. Do not play with sharp objects such as knife, nails and blades. Put away your toys and other things after use. Never run while going up or coming down the stairs. See this picture? It's an unsafe activity. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not play on the rooftop. Do not play outdoor games inside the house. You can play indoor games inside the house. Indoor games like, yes, chess, carom, inside the house. And outdoor games like, yes, cricket, football. Do not touch pesticides or insecticides. They are poisonous. See, pesticide means पेस्ट टू कंट्रोल करने के लिए केमिकल यूज़ किया जाता है, उसको हम पेस्टिसाइड्स कहेंगे. पेस्ट मीन्स इंसेक्ट और अदर एनिमल दैट अटैक क्रॉप्स, फूड या लाइफ स्टॉक्स. क्लियर? ऐसे कुछ जानवर होते हैं जो फूड को अटैक करते हैं. क्रॉप्स मीन्स फसल, उनको अटैक करते हैं. सो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, फूड को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए पेस्टिसाइड्स का यूज़ किया जाता है. इंसेक्टिसाइड्स आर यूज्ड टू किल इंसेक्ट्स and poisonous means harmful, capable of causing death. Clear? So do not touch any pesticides or insecticides. They are poisonous. They are very harmful. Do not take medicines on your own. If you get hurt, call an adult for help. Do not tease animals. They bite or scratch when you tease or throw stone on them. See, do not tease pets. Tease means making fun in a playful way. Means a person who make fun of someone playful way or unkindly way. So do not tease. किसी को परेशान करना. So do not tease animals. On the road, cities and towns have a lots of traffic. You should always be careful. Look on both sides of the road before crossing. Means आपको road cross करने से पहले आपको दोनों side carefully देखना है. Cross only at the zebra crossing. See, this is zebra crossing. Cross only at the zebra crossing. Always walk on the sidewalk. If there is no sidewalk, walk carefully on the side of the road facing oncoming vehicles. Clear? Do not play on the road. Do not play behind a parked car or any other vehicles. Obey traffic rules. Here is 3 traffic rules. Red light means stop. Red light means stop. Yellow, wait, and green, go. Repeat with me. Red, stop. Yellow, wait, and green, go. While traveling in a bus or a car, never stick your head or hand out of the window. Is the first help given to a person who is hurt. Clear? First aid is a first help given to a person who is hurt. This is done before the doctors comes or before the person is taken to the hospital. Clear? Homes and schools should keep a first aid box for meeting such needs. A first aid box usually contains bandage, cotton wool, a pair of scissors and plaster. Always try to help a person or child who is hurt. Call for help immediately. Wait with them till an adult comes. Have you seen a first aid box? You will find that the box has a red cross like this on it, just like a plus sign. Now you can highlight all the words. Electrical, जो things electricity की help से चलती है ना? Plug points. See, this is plug point. Rooftop. Pesticides, insecticides, poisonous. You have to highlight all the words. Clear kids? Medicines, जो दवाइयाँ जो हमें डॉक्टर देते हैं ना हमें ठीक करने के लिए, medicines. Pesticides means chemical mixture होता है एक जो पेस्ट को कंट्रोल करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. पेस्ट मीन्स ऐसे जो छोटे छोटे से जानवर होते हैं जो क्रॉप्स को, जो फूड को अटैक करते हैं. क्लियर? इंसेक्टिसाइड्स आर यूज्ड टू किल इंसेक्ट्स. Cities, towns, traffic, zebra crossing. See, this is zebra crossing. In traffic rules, red light says stop, yellow light says wait, and green means go. Open your EVS notebook, new page, put today's date, write chapter 6, safety and first aid. In second line, you have to write new words and here practice work. Your first word is safe, S-A-F-E, safe. Second, road. Your third word is zebra crossing, Z-E-B-R-A-C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Fourth word is electrical. Fifth, first aid. Sixth is cylinder. Seventh, scratch. And your last word is danger. And now I'm showing you my practice work. See, you have to write save, save, save and save. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times in one line because there is lots of space. And zebra crossing, you have to write only one time because there is no space. You have to do it the same way. Okay, kids?